UPDF Air Force's family extends its deepest sympathies and unwavering support during this difficult and trying moment. Those my colleagues in uniform, as we bid farewell to General Guno, let us carry forward his legacy of excellence, honor, and service. The UPDF family extends its sympathy and condolence to the departed comrade's family, relatives, and friends. The departed general has been instrumental in the restoring and maintaining of peace and security in the country. The UPDF is saddened by the loss of such a senior and professional cadre whose input was still much needed. We therefore join the family, relatives, and friends at this most difficult time to mourn the fallen comrade, whom we shall always remember.
Ati tugenda